Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will explain why your battery usually fails when the temperature outside drops and the winter comes. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now I will not get into too much details, but I will get straight to the point. Now I have this Ford Taurus and I want to show you something here. Every battery is rated and you want to look for CCA rating, so that's cold cranking amp. So this vehicle, this battery is 850. I live in a very cold climate and I have a bit stronger battery in this vehicle, even more than recommended by the manufacturer. But why? So cold cranking amps apply to battery's power to start the engine in the freezing temperatures. So if you have a vehicle that usually starts without a problem in the summer, but then the winter comes and it just fails, right? And then you have to jump start it using the cables or the booster pack or something like that. This is because of the cold cranking amps. The colder outside is, more cold cranking amps you need to start the engine. And if you have like old weak battery, yes, it might work for you during the summer, but once the temperatures drop, it's just not strong enough to start your engine. So it's a good idea before the winter, test your battery, measure the cold cranking amps. Most of the shops are doing this for free, at least here in Canada, and then you can see what's going on and if you should maybe replace the battery before the winter hits, so you're not surprised and left stranded somewhere in a parking lot or something like that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.